can you briefly tell me something about the category of the products
Yes.
which you have bought from us?
Hmm.
And maybe because in that category also we have different kind of range of products.
Yes.
Why you choose that particular category?
Yes. So I think you will remember the conversation that I always come to you and I'll ask you which is the most expensive one. So that is my question always to you, because I want to pick up the best things. And that is the one of the major reason of picking up those 5 things I'm going to point it out, is because those things will be going in patient's mouth, or that will be touching a mouth which is attached to a human body. So I don't want to compromise. When it comes to patients, I'm paranoid about my patients. So I opted for the water lace, the YZG laser. That was the first purchase with you. It is the best thing of my life. I was just making a comment to Nicoletta. I met her in the first half, and I told her if somebody takes away the water lace from me, I have to shut down the clinic, because I cannot imagine my life or my practice without lasers. And I've been very fortunate to be famous because it's a life-changing experience, especially for the patients. So I think my laser, which is the YZG water lace and the Epic X, is the top things that I had to take it from you. Then the second thing which I really appreciate is the chairs. And I'm going to say something opposite to half of the country told me, because when I was planning my clinic, everybody told me that don't invest in chairs, it is not important, interiors are important, your lights have to be nice, your showpieces have to be nice. I bought a painting for 10 lakhs rupees, and nobody talked about autoclave, chairs, hand pieces. And I was so surprised that chair is the first thing where the patient comes and lies. Your comfort of the patient and the first experience before you start talking is the chair. So, and I told you, I said I want all Anthos chairs. I don't want one room to be very nice where the boss works with the Anthos, and the next is going to be random chairs. I said, sorry, it has to be, every room has to be same. My associates have to be exactly same with the patients, how I'm going to work. So there was no second thought about not taking Anthos, and I'm planning to put 2 more Anthos is going to be same, because I want all rooms to be replica of each other, and we don't do any bias that one room is better than another, and each patient who walks into this office is going to get the same standard of care. And I think Anthos is a very good decision, because it's been 2 months that we have been seeing patients, and my patients are superiorly comfortable. They mostly sleep, and I think that's a compliment to the dentist. When the patient sees, and when you're doing graftings, it's a compliment that they're so relaxed. So I really think that the back of the chair is so broad that your shoulders can rest. There are so many patients with cervical and spinal cord injuries, and they lie down and they tell me, doc, this is very comfortable. So I want patients to compliment me, because I've gone out of the way to buy this stuff. I don't think they're expensive. This is the necessity. I don't know how do you compromise on the patient's comfort. And I'm a very big fan of guided biofilm therapy. So it was in my list, and I've been trained in Dubai in 2016. But we did not have GBT in India, and finally you guys got it. And I've told you, the day I have my clinic, I needed it on day 1. So I remember 13th June was the first day when I opened the clinic and I started seeing patients. And the first 10:30 a.m. appointment was GBT, because I couldn't wait. I was so excited to use this, and the patients were so impressed. Doc, I have no sensitivity, there's no vibration. They were not scared of the sound, and we have an amazing lemon taste. That's what we wanted for our patients in our office. And I think maybe in a 10 days time, the powder was over. I was like, I want one more bottle, because every patient is undergoing GBT, whether it's a non-surgical case, cleaning, prophylaxis, stain removals. We have so many patients who are smokers and they can't quit smoking, but at least they can come after every 1 month, and now we don't have to tell them quit smoking. It's not a healthy habit, but still we have something for them. Sometimes the stains are there in the middle of the teeth, and you cannot go with the scalers, and it causes sensitivity. So I think this is a great tool, and I would want to have one GBT in each room. I don't want them to move between the rooms, and I think that is a plan, that I would like to have GBT in all the rooms. And autoclave I've taken from you. Again, sterilization, no compromise, because we always go through the 7-step process of cleaning the instruments, and there was no compromise. It has to be Milag, because it's a German-based brand, and we all know that Germans and Japanese are the best in their business for all the machines. So I want the instruments that go in the patient's mouth to be extremely clean and no contamination. I cannot sleep in the night thinking that we performed the patient that the instrument was not clean, and I don't rely on regular products because I still remember that everybody told me, you are spending too much, you don't need great autoclaves, just take a boiler, it's going to be fine. But I am so scared because if it's my parents on the chair, I would want best instruments and clean instruments in my dad's mouth or my mother's mouth. So I think patients are like, at least for me, they are like God. I cannot do that. So I think that was one of the reasons of picking up Milag. And I told you, which is the most expensive model, give me the most expensive, because I'm sure the higher price would have something extra, and that's why they're expensive.
Absolutely.
So we didn't want to spend on interiors like I told you. I spent crazy money for patients. Anything that goes in patient's mouth is extremely important, and we don't compromise on that. So we did that, and the last purchase was the scanner.
Absolutely.
And I called you that best. Yes, I called you as it, and I didn't do any survey. I was clear. I want 3Shape. Also, it's compatible with the orthodontic cases, the Invisalign. That was one of the reasons of picking up Trios 3. Maybe I pick up one more, the advanced one for my other operatory. But there was no question about it because it is so smooth. I think we have done almost 30-40 scans already in 20 days. And we tell the patients you don't have to take alginate impressions. They're gagging. And they all think this is such a good clinic and so much advanced. So I think patients are very impressed because we have such nice gadgets and machines. So the clinic doesn't look crowded, but everything is so advanced that it is very, very smooth. And I've taken all your hand pieces with you. All NSK hand pieces. You told me there's a new surgical handpiece, straight handpiece with the in-house lighting. I said, give it to me. So I think when you're doing surgery, you need light and you want internal irrigation. You can't have assistant putting a syringe and putting water from outside. I don't think. Surgeries are anyway so complicated, so I want to make it easy. So I think my 90% clinic is made by you. It's your showroom. So I think somebody wants to come for a tour, not in Unicorn, it has to be my clinic because I think you have done everything with us. So thank you so much.
So all basically you invested in all good quality products, considering that not only it pays in the long run, but also the current level of treatment and current level of confidence which you have on your products.
Yes.
So that you are giving the best of the clinical services to the patients. So those were the primary reasons to buy
100
quality products.
Yes.
It's worth investing in slightly, to pay slightly more, but they think quality products.
Yes, I think money should not be a question. We buy mobile phones. We don't look at the money. We spend on iPads. They're so expensive. But money can be saved there. I think on this, we should not even call them expensive. Like, I still remember when I bought bottle list from you. I was probably 28 or 27. Come out from the college. I have no clinic, but I invested, 35 lakhs that time. Being nobody. And still I thought it's not expensive. This is important. So I think that how do you make decisions is important about patients. It's not about the money. It's about doing the right thing for the patient. So you don't compromise. That I didn't think don't call it up as expensive.